We are slowed down sound and light waves, a walking bundle of frequencies tuned into the cosmos. We are souls dressed up in sacred biochemical garments, and our bodies are the instruments through which our souls play their music. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. What you can't imagine, you can't discover. Everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. The only thing more dangerous than ignorance is arrogance. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. Knowledge is realizing that the street is one way. Wisdom is looking in both directions anyway. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Don't listen to the person who has the answers, listen to the person who has the questions. Information is not knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. You need experience to gain wisdom. God did not create evil. Just as darkness is the absence of light, evil is the absence of God. Creativity is intelligence having fun. There is no vaccine against stupidity. Everything that exists in your life does so because of two things: something you did or something you didn't do. Insanity: doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Knowledge and ego are directly related. The less knowledge, the greater the ego. Failure is success in progress. The more I study science, the more I believe in God. Just because you believe in something does not mean that it is true. Don't wait for miracles, your whole life is a miracle. Persistence is the most powerful force on earth. It can move mountains. The state is made for man, not man for the state. That is to say, the state should be our servant and not we its slaves. Genius is making complex ideas simple, not making simple ideas complex. There comes a point in your life when you need to stop reading other people's books and write your own.